I was able to take a bath by myself, go to the bathroom by myself. That really helps a lot because I could move. Before I really cannot move. I cannot even lift my foot. But now I can. 1 week, there is already an improvement.
Dahil hindi ako makalakad. Pero nung makita ko ito, sinubukan ko. Medyo gumanda-ganda naman ang takbo ng tuhod ko. Medyo nakakalakad na ako.
Pag kilos-kilos ko ng ganyan, nawala yung dito sa sakit sa aking balikat. Naramdaman ko na pwede na akong nakakaganon, na makaka-squat na.
Ano siya, kung ginagamit ko, malaki talaga, malaking improvement sa akin to. Sa mga may karamdaman na arthritis, hindi ko sure.
Not only them, thousands of other Filipinos have also used DigoSure with very good results. End your pain with this method recommended by 9 out of 10 experts. DigoSure Nut Milk, combination of 5-Loxin, Aquamin F, MSM, imported nuts. Help reduce joint pain and dry joints. Regenerates cartilage tissue, limits the development of bone spurs. Increase joint fluid secretion, joint flexibility. Especially, no side effects, no weight gain, safe for everyone. Feel the results after only 2 weeks.
Tapos, nitong nakakainom na ako nito, habang nagugulat nga itong pamangkin ko, ante, kayong yung tungkod mo, naiwan mo. Naiiwan ko na yung tungkod ko. Parang kasi, wala nang masakit. Na akong nararamdaman masyado. Kaya yun, ang ginawa ko.
Siyempre, masaya. Yan, laban ng laba. Kasi walang ayaw ko din magpalaba. Naglalaba pa ako. Mamalengke.
Ano siya, malakas ang sa umaga. Malakas ang malakas ang paglalakad ko. Nakakalakad na ako magmula sa amin hanggang sa trabaho ko eh. Malayo, 2 kilometro din sa amin. Malaking improvement talaga.
Makaka-epekto ito. Kasi sabi ko, tinan mo ako, nakakalakad na. Hindi katulad nung araw na hindi ako nakakalakad. Ngayon, nung araw, inaakit pa ako. O, Bibi, dyan, salamat.
No need to buy those tablets. Just use the milk is okay and effervescent. Thank you because there is a product that could help our bones. All the senior citizens can use this to help live a good life.
Super sale for joint pain patients and the elderly. New combo, cheaper price, bigger gifts. Buy 3 get 1 can free. Buy 5 get 2 can free. Order now.